today our topic is applications of stacks. The place where stacks are frequently used is in evaluation of arithmetic expression. An arithmetic expression consists of operands and operators. The operands can be numeric values or numeric variables. The operators used in an arithmetic expression represents the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponentiation. Polish notation. The fundamental property of Polish notation is that the order in which the operations are to be performed is completely determined by the position of the operators and operands in the expression. The methods of writing operators of an expression either before their operands or after them is called Polish notation. There are three ways of writing. First is infix notation, then prefix notation and postfix notation. So, infix notation. When the operator exists between two operands, then that expression is called infix notation. Means what? See, the operator plus and A and B are called operand. So, when the operator is in between two operands, then that expression is called infix notation. But when the operators are written before the operand, then that expression is called prefix notation. And what is postfix? When the operator are written after the operand, then that expression is called postfix notation. So, by seeing the position of the operator, we can classify it as infix, prefix and postfix notation. The way of representing arithmetic expressions is called infix notation. While evaluating an infix expression, usually the following operator precedence is used. See, first is the expression within a pair of parentheses are always evaluated earlier than other operations. Then the highest priority is exponentiation. Here it is denoted by dollar symbol. Next is multiplication and division. They have same priority. Multiplication, I repeat, multiplication and division have the same priority. Next, the lowest priority is addition and subtraction. But here addition and subtraction have the same priority. Convert the following infix expression into their equivalent postfix form. So how we can solve? First see, this is an infix expression. Why we can say that this is an infix expression? There is operator in between two operands. So you have to change this form, this infix form to corresponding or equivalent postfix form. How you can solve? See, say our problem is this. First, what you have to do? First we start from bracket. The priority of bracket is greater than all. So A plus B becomes A, B plus. After that, you have to underline this. Then just copy this into here. Then no need to give underline here. After that, C into D means C D into, because it is the postfix form. So A plus B means AB plus, after postfix. C into D, it is infix form, so CD into. So now A plus B is underlined already and CD into is underlined. So imagine that AB plus, this is one operand and CD into is another operand, and in between these two there is an operator into. So it is next time, it is A, B. Imagine this one is one operand and this one is other operand. In between these two operand there is into. So AB plus CD into, and then this into comes. Now underline it. So this is the result after converting this infix form to the corresponding postfix form. Now take another example. This example. This is A plus B plus C. This one is very easy. First A plus B. See, there are two plus. Okay. So priority is same. So you have to start from the left hand side. If there are same priority operator occurs, then always you have to start from the left hand side. So it is AB plus, underline this and just write, then just write plus C. No need to underline this. Okay. Now after that, so AB plus is one operand. Imagine AB plus is one operand and C is another operand. In between these two there is one plus. So just write AB plus C plus and underline it. So this is the result. Now see, take another example. This one. These are the logical operator and or. Always remember priority of and is greater than or. So pause this video and try to do it by your own. I give the hints, priority of and is greater than or. So what is the solution? Solution is first bracket. Bracket has the greater priority. So A and B becomes A, B and underline it. Then just copy this or. No need to underline this. Next, B or C becomes B, C or. Underline it. Now there is one and. After that, D and E becomes D, E and. Underline it. Now see, A, B and, because it is within this bracket, bracket has greater priority than all operator. So A, B and, this one is B, C or and this one is D, E and. Now this is, imagine this is one operand, this is another operand and this is another operand. In between these operands there is one or and there is another and. So which one has greater priority, or and has greater priority than or. So first you have to do this operator. So you have to work on this operator. So just write A, B and then underline it, then or, then B, C or and D and. So this one is one operand, this one is another operand, in between these two there is or. So this one is B, C or D, E and then this and. This one is and. So there is total underline B, C or D, E and this and, because it is postfix postfix expression, so write and here. Now after that, imagine this one is one operand and this one is another operand. In between these two there is one operator. So to make it postfix, you have to write and BC or DE and then this or comes at last. So this is our required result. Another example. See, this is an infix expression. You have to convert it corresponding postfix expression. Now, see the operators. There is one dollar, by, into, plus, minus, also bracket is there. So, first highest priority has this bracket. So, first bracket. So, just copy this total thing. Then G plus H means after postfix it becomes GH plus, and underline this. Then priority comes. Which operator has greater priority? Dollar. That is exponentiation operator. So A dollar B means A B dollar after postfix. So underline this. Next, copy this thing as it is. Okay. Or in your copy you have to write this thing as it is. Now also G plus H, GH plus. Okay, now this is the situation. Now see, the operator comes into by and by, minus, plus. Which one has greater priority? Because into and by has same priority and these have greater priority than minus and plus. Into and by have same priority, but these two operators have greater priority than minus and plus. So first see from the left hand side which operator comes first, into or by, this into. So next you have to do on this operator. So it is A B dollar, then this into, so C into. Now underline this. Imagine AB dollar is one operand and C is another operand. In between these two there is one operator into. After postfix it becomes this. Now copy the remaining thing. D plus E by F by G H plus, underline. Now next, minus plus by, because by has greater priority than minus plus, so we will work on this by. So just copy this thing. Now this by, E by F means EF by, EF by, underline this. Okay. Now there is another by, just write that by. No need to give underline here. Now GH plus, underline this. Now see, plus, minus, plus and by. Which one has greater priority? This by. So EF by is one operand, imagine, and GH plus is another operand, imagine. So in between these two there is one operator by. So just copy this. then you have to write GH plus. After that, because it is postfix expression now, so this by comes here. Now there is one minus and one plus, because minus and plus has same priority. Minus and plus have same priority. So which one comes first? From the left hand side, minus. So next time, so imagine this one is one operand, this one is another operand. In between these two, there is one operator. Okay. But here minus is at the last. So this is now after that this plus. This plus. So and then this one. So imagine this one is one operand, this one is another operand. In between these two there is plus. So finally we get the result. Can you tell me finally what will be the result? It will be, first copy this one, then copy this one, first write this one, then this one, and then finally this plus. So this is our result after converting this expression from infix to postfix. So this is the result. So we already learned how to convert infix expression corresponding its postfix expression. So this is your infix expression. When I convert corresponding its postfix expression, a plus b becomes ab plus and c into d becomes cd into. In between these two there is one operator into, so it becomes ab plus cd into. Okay. So imagine this one is operand number 1, this one is operand number 2, and in between these two there is one operator. So after postfix it becomes this. When it is a plus b plus c, because both are plus, so always starts from the left hand side, the priority is same. So first do this plus operation, so ab plus, then plus c. After that it becomes ab plus c plus. And this one is logical operator. We already learned priority of AND is greater than OR. So first do the bracket operation. So AB AND, this one is BC OR and this one is DE AND. And see, imagine this one is one operand, this one is another operand, and this one is another operand. In between these operands there are two operators, one is OR, another is AND. Because AND operator priority is greater, first you have to do on AND operator. So AB AND or BC or DE, this AND goes at the last. So now imagine this one is one operand, this one is another operand. In between these two there is one OR operator. So after postfix it becomes, after converting this expression into its postfix form, we get this result. Now it's time to practice. Convert the following infix expression into their equivalent postfix form. Pause the video, try to solve it by your own in your copy, and then see this solution. Now convert the following infix expression into their corresponding prefix form. Now see, if the infix expression is a plus b, the prefix expression is plus ab and the postfix expression is ab plus. So if it is a plus b, in case of prefix it is plus ab. Now see, I am taking the same example. First, bracket has higher priority, so a plus b becomes plus ab, and then underline this because it is prefix, we have to change it corresponding to its prefix expression. Then this into, then c into d means into cd, underline this. Now imagine this one is one operand, this one is another operand, in between these two there is one operator, so the result is into, this into comes first, so into, then plus, sorry, into, then plus AB into CD. Now second one, A plus B plus C, because both are plus, we starts from the left hand side, so A plus B becomes plus AB, underline this, then plus C. Okay, so this one is one operand, this one is another operand, in between these two there is one plus, so you have to write in this way, this plus comes first, so the result is plus plus A B C, this one be the result. Now the next example is logical operators are there, and or. We already learned and has greater priority than or, but before that there is bracket operator. So first do bracket operation. So A and B becomes and AB because it is prefix form, and AB, underline this. Next, or. Next, this B or C becomes or BC, and D and E becomes and DE. Underline this and underline this. Now imagine this is one operand, this is another operand, and this is another operand. In between these three there is two operand, there is two operator, or and has greater priority than or, so we have to work on this and. So just copy this one. Okay, now this and comes first, so now this or BC, now this and D, and whole underline. Now this one is one operand, this one is another operand, in between these two there is one operator, so just write or, then copy this one, then copy this one. So this one be the result. Now next one, bracket dollar into all are there by, so first bracket, just copy this one, G plus H means plus GH, So underline this. Next, dollar comes. $B means $AB. So $AB, underline. Now just copy this thing, whole thing. Okay, now next it comes what? It comes into and by have same priority, but from the left hand side in this into comes first. So first you have to write this into, then $AB, 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 and then this C, and then underline this. After that, just copy this thing. Next comes, there are two by, but from left hand side this by comes first. So you have to do this by operation. So first copy this thing. This by operation, first copy this thing. In your copy you have to write this thing. Okay. Then E by F means by EF. So by EF, underline this. And then there is another by and this plus GH, just copy this thing. Okay. No underline is on this by. Okay, under this by. Okay. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is by. So which one has greater priority? This by. So copy this thing. This by has greater priority than all. Okay. So this by comes first. So copy this portion. Then this by. So you have to write this by first. By EF, then plus GH, underline. Next, now there is one minus and plus. Both have same priority. So you have to start from the left hand side. So minus comes first. So first minus comes. Then you have to copy this one. Then D. Okay. And then this plus. After that, the remaining portion you have to write. Now, see, imagine this one is one operand, this one is one operand, this one is another operand, this one is another operand, this one is one operand, this one is another operand. In between these two there is plus. So plus, then copy the first operand and then the second. You have to write in this way. So this will be the prefix form of this infix expression. This one be the prefix form. So in case of infix to prefix, A plus B becomes plus AB, C into D becomes into CD, and in between these two there is another into, so it comes first. So the result is this, into plus AB into CD. In the same way, a plus b plus c becomes plus ab plus c, and then the result is plus plus abc. And operator has greater priority than or. So first and AB, this one becomes or BC, and this one becomes and DE. Or and, so and has greater priority. So first we work on this. So this and comes first, we get this result, and then this or comes first. So the result is this. Now it's time to practice. Pause this video and try to solve all this problem in your copy, and after that see this answer. So this is your homework. Transform the following infix expression into their equivalent postfix expression and also prefix expression, and answer me in the comment section what is the expression after converting it corresponding to its prefix and postfix form. I am waiting for your reply. So these are your homework. Try to answer this question in the comment section. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.